Hello hamsters! Hamster Kombat has introduced a new secret level. In this feature, we earn more coins by imputing Morse codes. Here is how to access the secret level. You only have to tap on the Earn per Tap button 3 times. Voila! Secret mission unlocked. Now how do you input the Morse codes? To input a dot, just tap on the screen once, like this. To input a dash, hold on the screen, like this. Now these are the Morse codes for today. A dash. And 3 dots for B. A dash for T. And lastly, a dash, a dot, a dash again, and a dot for C. We'll be posting all of the daily Morse codes on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.